What happens to the old lights when theatres upgrade to newer technology? Around the world, countless incandescent fixtures are sitting unused, collecting dust and on the verge of being thrown away. But what if we could bring them back to life? Today I'll show you how to revive one of these classic theatre lighting instruments to their former glory, through easy to install, affordable, off-the-shelf components. Here's what you'll need. A vintage light. I'm using the Pattern 123, also known as the Patt 123. A LED par. I'm using the Beamz COB50. It can be controlled via DMX, the included remote, or the onboard display. It is an affordable fixture, coming at 179 Australian dollars. It features red, green, blue, white and amber LEDs for great colour mixing abilities. An IEC power cable, a 3-pin DMX cable or 3-pin female to 5-pin male DMX cable. Process. Step 1. Disassemble the fixture. Remove the bulb, lamp assembly and reflector. This is what it should look like after the components have been removed. Step 2. Insert the LED par. Place the COB50 inside the back of the Patt 123. Step 3. Power it up. Connect the COB50 to power using the IEC cable. Step 4. Set the DMX address. For this demo, I will set it to address 1. Step 5. Route the cables. Run the 240 volt and DMX cables through the rear ventilation holes. Step 6. Reassembly. Close the Patt 123 and secure the locking clip. Step 7. Testing control. Control the fixture using a console. If you're using the remote instead, in step 4 and 5, you can skip the DMX setup and only run power to the fixture. So, what are the advantages? It can be hung from the grid like any other fixture. You get full RGBWA colour mixing. It brings a classic fixture back into use as a functional piece in a rig or foyer. There are a few downsides. The dimming curve isn't ideal. For fades over 15 seconds, it dims in noticeable steps. The unit emits a high-pitched noise when mixing certain colours. It's audible within 5 meters of the unit. There is no zoom or beam control. Here's a simple custom profile for this fixture. Use case. It was great to use this in a recent production that I lighting designed. The output is strong, the colour mixing is solid, and the Fresnel lens gives it a much more analog look compared to exposed LEDs. This kind of retrofit works great not just on stage but also in foyers as a statement piece and conversation starter. Fixtures like the Patt 123 are being discarded as they seem outdated, mainly due to their lack of colour mixing, high power draw and expensive bulbs. But by placing modern fixtures into these, we can give them a new life on and off stage. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching.